Hey guys, I'm going to show you the easiest way to apply edge banding to plywood. Now, this is how the pros do it, and it's the easiest step-by-step video that you will find to quickly show you how to apply edge banding for any wood project that you have. All right, let's get started. The first step is the most important step in the entire process, so be sure you do this correctly. What you want to do is you want to sand your edge to be perfectly level and true. You don't want any divots, bevels, nicks, or bumps in your edge. I use an edge sanding guide with my sander to make sure that I have a true edge. If you don't have one, that's totally okay. It just takes a little bit more time and patience to get a truly plumb edge. All right, well, let's move on to the next step. The next step is cleaning. Make sure you clean all the dust and debris from your edge. This will ensure that your glue adheres to your wood correctly. Edge banding comes in many different sizes and lengths. This edge banding that I'm using is actually 3 inches wide. I would recommend getting edge banding that has glue already applied to one side. It makes the process so much easier. To apply edge banding, you need to have a hot iron. Now, make sure that you have the setting to no steam. Okay, so what you want to do next is you want to pre-cut your edge banding and align everything up to the edge of your piece. Then you're going to take your iron and you're going to apply that heat evenly and do this slowly. You want that glue on the back side to really melt and liquefy. Now, don't keep the iron in one place too long, but keep it evenly moving across the edge banding. You'll know it's hot enough when you take your finger and touch it, it'll be hot. So just be careful here. The next step that you want to do is you want to crease the edges of your edge banding. Now, this is really important. This really helps bond the very edge of that edge banding to your piece. So take your time here and make sure that it heats up and then let everything sit for about 30 minutes before you do trimming. All right, to trim your edge banding, you can use an edge banding trimmer. Now, because my edge banding is way too wide, I need to actually use a knife to trim it down before I can use the edge band trimmer. Now, I'll put a link in the description to the one that I use. This thing works great. Highly would recommend getting one. You don't want to have to do this by hand. The next step is to sand everything clean and smooth. I'd recommend using at least a 120 or higher grit sandpaper. This will clean up any edges or glue that's squeezed out when you apply your edge banding. So that's it. That's how you apply edge banding in the simplest, easiest way. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that thumbs up button for me. I'd appreciate it. It helps others find this. And if you have any questions or comments about this process, please post them below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. All right, guys. Till next time, I'll catch you in the next video.